I'll wipe in some bacon grease, wipe it out, and let the pan start to smoke. And then we'll take it off the heat and repeat. Little glob of bacon grease. And I am going to now move it around, wipe down the sides. Now I'm going to raise the heat. I'm going to raise it to 7. And as it starts to heat up some more, I'll wipe it down some more. I'm hoping that the bacon grease got into the little machining lines in the pan. That's our first coat. Fourth coat. 5 coats of bacon grease. It's not really browning up the sides, but that's not where I'm cooking. And one thing you should know is it could be risky leaving these stainless steel pans to heat empty. The aluminum core base has been known to fall off and melt on pans that are left unattended. Okay, that is 6 coats. Next up, we'll cook some eggs. Nice chunk of butter. Butter is sizzling just a little bit, which is good, I think. Alright, now I'm going to just move the butter around a little bit, make sure the bottom's nice and coated. We're aiming for a non-stick surface. Here we go, you ready? Pan is not hot enough. I was hoping for a sizzle. Well, it's definitely not sticking. Cool, I wish I knew how to flip an egg. I'd flip it on the stove. I like that. I like this. Now the trick is when we flip it over, will it stick a little? That should be interesting. I think I can flip it. Let's flip it. It's a little stuck. Let's see if I can shake it loose. Almost. It's trying. Come on, you can do it. Oh. And here we are after 5 coats of Crisco, wiped in, wiped out. I'm going to do one more coat, so that's 6 coats of bacon grease, and now we've got 6 coats of Crisco oil. You can see it's much darker than it was in the bacon grease, and still no heating up the sides, so you can really see how the heat doesn't go up the sides on a single ply stainless steel pan. But the question is the cooking surface going to be any more non-stick? Is it going to work? Is it going to stick? Is the egg going to stick? Is it? Is it? I don't know. Very exciting! Butter's in. We're getting a nice sizzle. More of a sizzle than one of our last times. I know, I used a lot of butter. Sue me. Alright, you ready? Are you ready, Freddy? Seasoning cat, I'm going to turn the heat down just a little bit. It was at 5. I'm turning it down to 3.5. I don't think we need it that hot. Is it sticking? No. Will it slide on its own? I'm using... Yes! Yes! Pretty cool. Pretty cool. The question is, when I flip it over, is it going to stick? Probably. Are you still flipping? Are you starting to stick on me? A little bit. It's starting to stick on me. I'm going to loosen it. Oh, it is sticking. It's sticking. Alright, screw it. You ready? Let's flip her. She's stuck. This is my last and final attempt at seasoning stainless steel. Now I've got some scratch marks in here. I wanted to get the scratch marks in here to help the seasoning take. I don't know why I'm doing this. This is 2 coats, and what I've decided to do is I wipe it down on the stove, heat it up till it starts smoking, stick it in the oven for half an hour at 450 because I really don't want to use an hour's of electricity. But what you see is it's really toasting up. It's toasting up on the sides, it's toasting up on the bottom. 2 coats. I'm going to do maybe 3 more, and then I'm going to quit, man, because I can't keep doing this. Let's just take for a moment before we try our final egg cooking to admire the color of this stainless steel pan. Admire the color. Alright, butter's in. Our final round of seasoning stainless steel. When I'm done cooking, even if there's no sticking, I'm going to put a little water in there, deglaze it, rub it with the brush. The question then, when I rub it with the brush, will the seasoning come off? Now, is she sticking? No. Alright. Will she slide? Well, she's sticking a little. Oh, she's sliding. Oh, it's almost shaped like a heart. Like I love this pan. I've messed it up big time. Still sliding. A little sticking. I think it's sticking a little bit. I've got my wrong glasses on. It just broke the egg. Oh. Well, there's definitely sticking. So this is another fail in my opinion.